It was supposed to be a nice day hauling corn. Blown tire. Flare kit. Welcome to the Red River Valley of North Dakota. A land flowing with milk and honey. You're watching Beet Farmin Mitch. Alright, George, what happened today?
Well, we were hauling some corn and heading down interstate. Next thing you know, you heard a kaboom and tire failed.
Are you sure it wasn't somebody shooting at you?
Yeah, it sounded like it.
Well, we got a box full of parts here. Dual scraper. Tire boss system kind of got mangled up, mud flap. But at least we found it and got everything like that off interstate. Toast. I like it. Yeah, we got the new tread. Get her popped on and get off interstate here as soon as we can, huh? Back on the road. Well, I'm gonna go get the parts that we need to get this officially fixed because the fender got ripped off and the mud flap and the tire boss system got all mangled. So I'm gonna go get the parts we need. I'm not too far away from that store. And we're gonna get back to the shop and after we get it dumped and fix her up. Well, we'll see what we can get. New mud flap assembly, half panel, mud flaps. No dice on this thing, so we'll see if we can resurrect it. But we're gonna head back to the shop. George is gonna meet us there. We'll see if we can piece her back together. Well, George is on his way back to the old truck repair shop. And this is the Tire Boss mounting system. This is definitely downside of Tire Boss when something like this happens. You got ripped hoses and all kinds of stuff. But this mounting arm, called around, nobody has this. We're gonna try resurrect it. There's a hose in here and I gotta kind of take this apart. I know there's a pipe fitting there. I don't know. We'll see. So you got her dumped then? Good. Nobody has this part, so I'm gonna try fix it, but. Yeah, I think we're gonna try squish this down with the truck. You wanna hop in there?
With the truck?
Yeah. I think we got it. I don't want to heat it up because there's hose in there. Well, George got our mud flaps tuned up here. Still gotta weld the dual scraper on. Fixed our air system here. Can order this guy as soon as we can, but it wasn't leaking. We tested her out. How do we do it? Did you ever take welding or anything in high school?
I didn't.
Yeah.
The only thing I did was construction.
Oh yeah, I was in that one.
We made little sheds or whatever.
Yeah, we built a shed too. That's kind of how I learned how to weld, was in high school welding class. Yeah, this one was actually a little too... Got her done, I like it. Well, the flat tire was a bit of a headache, but we managed. I think it means it's kind of getting to be time for new tires on this thing. She'll work for now. Well, we've been working on tuning up the combines, changing oil filters, fuel filters, air filters, checking things over, switching concave. So we got them pretty much ready to go. Just gotta pop the headers on and run through the last few things and should be good to go for harvest. Wheat is just around the corner, so is beet pre-pile. It's gonna be all kinds of stuff to do. I think most farmers would agree the truck work on a farm never seems to end. There's always something. And today was one of those days. We had a truck blowout and that's just the way she goes. But anyway, this is Beet Farmin Mitch. Thank you for watching. George appreciates it too. Take care and don't forget to keep it sweet.